stamp,
Freeze!
stamp.
You're so loud.
What's that, Twirl? I can't hear you. I'm stamping so loudly.
Loud can be fun, but so can quiet.
Like this? Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Yeah, kinda.
What if we put them together to make a dance move?
What? You mean you could put loud and soft together? But how?
Let's check out the kid crew. They'll show us how. This move is called the splashback stamp. Let's learn it. Start by standing on one foot, then splash forward and splash back without letting your heel touch the floor. Finish off the step by stamping your whole foot down. Make sure you try the step on both legs. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it! You're doing the splashback stamp. Woohoo! Do you know what would be really fun, Twirl?
What?
Stamping through puddles on a rainy day.
Let's do it! 5, 6, 7, 8. Imagination station, activate!